Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be discussing the goodwill theory. The excess amount which the firm can get on selling the assets over and above their resale value is known as the goodwill. When the goodwill is not purchased, then it is never shown in the books of accounts, so it is never be raised. Goodwill is nothing more than the probability that old customer will visit the old place. This definition was given by Lord Alton. And the amount of the goodwill paid by new partner to the existing partner is to get the share of profit in the firm. When amount of goodwill is given by the new partner, then it becomes the share of profit. When the amount of capital is given by the new partner in the existing business, then that is to get share in the assets of the firm. The fifth question over here is a firm earns 1,10,000 rupees is the average profit. The normal rate of return in the business is 10%. The assets of the business are 11 lakh, whereas the liabilities are 1 lakh. So what is the capital employed by the partners in the business? Assets minus liabilities, that is 10 lakh rupees. They have capital employed in the business. On this 10 lakh investment, they expect a return of 10%. That they how much expect to earn is 1 lakh rupees. That becomes their normal profits. So what's the value of the goodwill as per the capitalization of AP and capitalization of SP method? So first of all, capitalization of average profit method. Average profits were given in the question 1,10,000. When we need to capitalize it, we will multiply our average profits into 100 upon the rate of return. The rate of return was given to us 10%. So 10 was in divisible denominator. So we got capitalized value of average profit 11 lakh. This is not our goodwill. To calculate goodwill from the capitalized value of AP, we will deduct the capital employed, which I already told you in this business was 10 lakh. So for this question, the goodwill by AP capitalization of AP method is rupees 1 lakh. On another side, for the super profit method, the business was expecting to get a return of 10% on capital employed. So what was the normal profit expected? The normal profit expected in the business was rupees 1 lakh, but actually they were making a profit of 1,10,000. So 1,10,000 minus 1 lakh, what was the excess amount of the profit? They are termed as super profit, 10,000 rupees. Now these 10,000 super profit would be capitalized to get the value of the goodwill, that is super profits into 100 upon rate. So what is the value of goodwill as per this method also? Rupees 1 lakh. Both the cases seem to be similar, but remember one thing: when you do the capitalization of super profit, you get exact value of your goodwill. But in capitalization of AP method, when you do the capitalization of AP, it is not the value of your goodwill. You need to deduct from this is capital employed to get the value of goodwill. Thank you, Accountitude. Like, share and subscribe to my channel.